Hello, welcome to Byte Nihongo.
Ever wondered why some people seem to pick up languages effortlessly, while others struggle for years? Today, I'm sharing the real secrets behind effective language learning. No gimmicks, no shortcuts, just what actually works. The mindset shift. Let's start with the most underrated part of language learning, your mindset. Be patient and consistent. Language learning isn't a sprint, it's a slow, beautiful unfolding. Don't stress yourself into learning. Pressure blocks absorption. Relaxation opens the mind. Keep the curiosity of a child. Children don't learn by memorizing rules. They explore, mimic, and play. Celebrate small wins. Every new word, every sentence you understand, that's progress. Embrace mistakes. They're not failures, they're feedback. Stay curious. Ask why behind grammar rules. Explore cultural nuances, and let your curiosity guide you. Learn like a child. Think about how you learned your mother tongue. No one sat you down with grammar charts. You watched, listened, repeated, and eventually spoke. That's the most natural way to learn any language. So, watch shows, listen to music, read stories, speak, even if it's just to yourself. Don't worry about mistakes. They're part of the process. Let observation lead the way, not perfectionism. Do and don'ts. Here's what works and what doesn't when learning a new language. DOs. Immerse yourself daily. Change device language. Watch shows. Listen to music. Speak from day one, even if it's just to yourself. Label objects around your home in the target language or set realistic goals. 10 minutes of listening daily. Beats fluent in 3 months. Find ways to make learning playful. Games, role play, silly sentences. Don'ts. Don't rely only on grammar books. They're helpful, but not enough. Don't wait until you're ready to speak. Don't compare your progress to others. Don't binge learn once a week. Consistency beats intensity. Don't treat learning like a chore. Treat it like discovery. Smart scheduling tips. Let's ditch the rigid schedules and talk about something more practical. How to weave language learning into your daily life. You don't need hours, you need moments. Here are some easy ways to fit language practice into your routine. Tips for seamless learning integration. While commuting or walking, listen to podcasts, music, or audio lessons in your target language. During meals or breaks, watch short videos or reels with subtitles. Even 5 minutes counts. While doing chores, repeat vocabulary aloud or describe what you're doing in the target language. Before bed, review flashcards or write a short journal entry. While texting friends, try inserting a few words or phrases in the new language. During workouts, use language apps with audio drills or repeat phrases while stretching. Weekend fun, watch a movie or show in the target language with subtitles. Make it a treat, not a task. The key is to pair learning with something you already do, so it becomes effortless and enjoyable. Crucial tips most people miss. Let's go deeper. Here are some tips most learners overlook. Apply the 80-20 rule. Focus on the most used 20% of vocabulary and grammar. Find a language buddy or tutor for accountability. Use dual language subtitles when watching shows. Keep a language journal. Write 1 sentence a day. Explore culture alongside language. Food, festivals, humor. It makes learning stick. Make it fun. When you're playful, your brain is relaxed, and that's when real learning happens. As one wise teacher said, when you're joyful, your intelligence blossoms. And final encouragement. Here's something most people forget. You've already learned a language. Your mother tongue wasn't taught to you. You absorbed it. You listened, observed, played with sounds, and eventually spoke. That means you already know how to learn a language. You've done it once. You can absolutely do it again. Learning a new language isn't about talent. It's about showing up, staying curious, and having fun with the process. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep showing up. So whether you're learning Japanese, Spanish, or Swahili, remember you've got this, and there is a lot of help available. And tell me in the comments, what language are you learning and what's your biggest challenge? If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow language learners, and subscribe for more playful, practical language tips if you are learning Japanese.